Hi everybody, this is Roland from Roland's Reviews right here, where I'm going to bring you some awesome must-have item for your Ford F-150. This is the Maxina Retractable Ratchet Strap. These fit for the 2015 to 2025 F-150. It's a ratcheting strap system. Two pieces. You get this one and you get the other one. Auto retract securing tie downs. This is a must have item. You know me, I love pickup trucks, SUVs, four-wheelers. This is genius. This mounts right where the other tie down is on that side. You just unscrew it. So you unscrew the OEM tie down with the 4 bolts. I put it in this bag that comes with it so I can just store that there. And they give you these nice stainless steel bolts with washers. It's a Ford F-150 retractable ratchet strap set. You got to have a hex key. I call this an hex key, maybe Allen key. I call it a hex key. Let me go over some of the details before I get into over there. Just really great engineering. You bolt it in the same holes as the OEM holes, so that's common sense. But it still continues to have 3 tie downs on this side, 3 tie downs on this side. Excellent engineering. Then you have the strap here. Very nice sewing with a vinyl coated hook with a rubber keeper. Instructions are right here. I mean, it's very common sense. All my people have the knowledge to really do this. But this also has an email if you have any questions. It has scan codes right here to show how to do it. And obviously, if you have side mollies already installed, it can't fit through there. But most of us just have a regular bed or maybe a spray line bed like this is. Now, these handles are just super awesome. They're rubberized handles, like little knobby handles, rubberized. Very good traction. There is your release right here. Very simple. Excellent quality cutting in the metal over here. Plastic cover. I would say every now and then, obviously hose this down, maybe some WD-40 or something, spray some lube inside of that would be a good idea. And then here it is. I'm going to put, this is in the rear, I'm going to take the other one and put the other one in the front. This way I can take that strap and put it right over and hook it right into the other one on the other side there. That makes the most sense to me. So here, all you have to do, obviously, is just take, and that will tighten. Has a little roller up here, which I think is really nice, so the strap won't bind up here. And again, just tighten. And we know how ratchet straps work. A very smooth operation. And again, to release, you bring it down to the bottom. Very nice construction, good quality strap, easy to connect. I'm going to tell you, this is a must-have item. It fits so beautiful, custom, extra connections on this side. All around, I mean, this is 5 stars. I normally give 5 stars my best. I'm going to have to give this 6 stars. This is one of the best items I've seen for my F-150 Ford, and they do make it for other makes and models, so it's not just for the Ford here. They have other makes and models. There's the spring is set up down here. This is a very thick poly coat, powder coat on this. Excellent, excellent. 6 stars, not 5. 6 stars, worth the money. I'll put a link below. Buy it on Amazon. This is a game changer and a must-have. Thank you.